You've probably seen countless videos about used Mercedes and thought, which one actually won't drain my savings? Buying a Mercedes used can feel like walking through a financial minefield. One wrong choice, and you're staring down the barrel of expensive repairs, unpredictable electronics failures, or bills that wipe out any savings you thought you had. Today, we're going to cut through the noise and focus only on the Mercedes models that have proven they can be reliable used cars without causing financial regret. In this video, you'll learn exactly which 5 Mercedes are safe bets to buy used, what makes them dependable after warranty, and, just as important, what you need to check before you sign anything. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of where risk is real, where it's manageable, and how to avoid the kinds of costly mistakes that haunt so many buyers. Number 5 on this list is the Mercedes-Benz C-Class W204, model years 2012 to 2014. Specifically, the C250, equipped with the M271 EVO 1.8-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and the 7 G-tronic automatic transmission. This is one of the safest entry points into Mercedes ownership if your priority is controlled maintenance cost and long-term mechanical durability. The M271 EVO engine produces around 201 horsepower and does 0 to 100 kilometers per h in roughly 7.2 seconds. But performance is not the reason this car makes the list. It's here because by 2012, Mercedes had already corrected many of the early timing chain and balance shaft concerns that affected earlier versions of the M271. When properly maintained with 5,000 to 7,000 mile oil intervals, this engine has proven capable of surpassing 200,000 kilometers without internal rebuild. The 7 G-tronic transmission, while not perfect, is generally durable if fluid and filter services are performed every 60,000 kilometers. Known issues include intake manifold runner flap wear, camshaft adjuster noise, if maintenance was neglected, and electronic steering lock failures. None of these are catastrophic if identified early, but ignoring them can quickly turn a good deal into a financial mistake. Before buying, always verify cold start noise, check for timing chain rattle, confirm smooth gear engagement between second and third, and scan the vehicle for stored fault codes. A well-maintained W204 C250 offers predictable ownership costs, wide parts availability, and a mechanical layout that is far less complex than newer turbocharged direct-injection Mercedes platforms. It's not the cheapest to fix, but it is one of the most financially manageable modern Mercedes you can buy used. Number 4 on this list is the Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212, model years 2013 to 2016. Specifically the E350, equipped with the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 M276 engine and the 7 G-tronic Plus automatic transmission. This is where long-term durability starts to become more consistent and financially predictable. The M276 V6 produces around 302 horsepower and reaches 0 to 100 kilometers per h in approximately 6.2 seconds. But again, performance is not the focus here. What matters is that by 2013, Mercedes had updated the timing chain tensioner and internal components that caused early issues in some 2012 units. In the 2013 and newer versions, the M276 has demonstrated strong reliability when oil changes are done every 8,000 to 10,000 kilometers. It is common to see these engines surpass 250,000 kilometers without internal engine work. The 7 G-tronic Plus transmission is smoother and more refined than earlier versions, and remains durable when serviced every 60,000 kilometers. Known issues include camshaft adjuster wear on poorly maintained examples, oil leaks from upper timing covers, and occasional electronic module faults. but none of these are systemic engine failures. Before purchasing, inspect cold start behavior carefully. Listen for metallic rattle from the front timing cover area. Verify smooth downshifts at low speeds, and check complete service records. The W212 platform itself is structurally solid, less electronically fragile than the newer W213 generation, and benefits from strong parts availability worldwide. For buyers seeking a balance between executive comfort and controlled ownership costs, the 2013-2016 E350 is one of the safest long-term Mercedes platforms available on the used market. Number 3 on this list is the Mercedes-Benz E-Class E250 CDI, model years 2013 to 2016, equipped with the 2.1-liter OM651 turbo diesel 4-cylinder engine and the 7 G-Tronic Plus automatic transmission. From a long-term ownership perspective, this is one of the most financially rational Mercedes platforms available. The OM651 produces approximately 201 horsepower and delivers strong torque from low RPM, reaching 0 to 100 km per h in about 7.5 seconds. But again, acceleration is not the reason it earns its position here. The reason is durability and fuel efficiency combined with proven high-mileage capability. When properly maintained with high-quality oil and shorter service intervals around 8,000 to 10,000 kilometers, the OM651 regularly surpasses 300,000 kilometers without major internal engine repairs. The cast-iron block construction contributes to long-term structural strength, and the updated 7 G-Tronic Plus transmission provides reliable torque management when serviced every 60,000 kilometers. Known issues include injector seal leaks, timing chain stretch in early production years prior to 2012, and diesel particulate filter clogging in vehicles used only for short urban trips. These are manageable risks when identified early and when the vehicle has consistent highway usage history. Before purchasing, inspect for injector black death residue around the cylinder head. Confirm smooth cold starts without excessive smoke. Verify DPF regeneration history, and review full service documentation. The W212 diesel combination offers lower fuel consumption, strong mechanical longevity, and fewer high-pressure gasoline system failures compared to direct-injection turbo-petrol engines, for buyers focused strictly on minimizing long-term financial exposure. This configuration represents one of the most stable ownership propositions in the modern Mercedes lineup. Number 2 on this list is the Mercedes-Benz GLC300 X253 model years 2018 to 2021, equipped with the M274 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and the 9 G-Tronic automatic transmission. This is one of the most balanced modern Mercedes platforms in terms of reliability, parts availability, and predictable ownership cost. The M274 in this configuration produces approximately 241 horsepower and reaches 0 to 100 kilometers per h in about 6.5 seconds. But again, the key factor here is long-term stability rather than acceleration. By 2018, most early timing chain tensioner concerns seen in earlier M274 applications had been addressed, and the engine had matured into a relatively dependable turbocharged platform when oil changes are performed every 8,000 kilometers instead of extended factory intervals. The 9 G-Tronic transmission is smoother and more efficient than the older 7-speed and has demonstrated strong durability when serviced properly every 60,000 kilometers. Known issues include thermostat housing leaks, PCV system wear, and occasional sensor-related warning lights. But catastrophic engine failures are uncommon when maintenance is not neglected. Before purchasing, confirm that oil services were done more frequently than factory recommendations. Check for coolant leaks around the thermostat assembly. Ensure smooth low-speed shifting. and perform a full diagnostic scan for stored transmission codes. The GLC300 offers SUV practicality, combined with a mechanical package that is less complex than newer mild hybrid Mercedes systems introduced after 2022. For buyers wanting a newer vehicle without stepping into high-risk hybrid complexity, the 2018-2021 GLC300 represents a controlled and rational financial decision. Number 1 on this list is the Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212 E350 Bluetec, model years 2014 to 2016, equipped with the 3.0-liter V6 OM 642 turbo diesel engine and the 7 G-Tronic Plus automatic transmission. From a durability standpoint, this is one of the most mechanically proven modern Mercedes configurations ever produced. The OM 642 generates approximately 240 horsepower and, more importantly, over 450 nanometers of torque, delivering strong and effortless performance while maintaining long-term structural integrity. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per h takes around 6.6 seconds, but what truly matters here is longevity. The OM 642 has a long production history across multiple Mercedes platforms, and when maintained correctly, with high-quality oil every 8,000 to 10,000 kilometers, it is common to see these engines exceed 400,000 kilometers without internal rebuild. The cast-iron block construction, conservative tuning, and mature engineering contribute to its reputation for durability. The 7 G-Tronic Plus transmission paired with this engine handles torque effectively and remains reliable when serviced at 60,000 kilometer intervals. Known issues include oil cooler seal leaks in earlier production years, intake swirl flap motor wear, and diesel emissions system components such as AdBlue heaters or NOx sensors. These are manageable maintenance items rather than catastrophic engine failures, and most are well documented with established repair solutions. Before purchasing, inspect for oil residue in the valley of the engine indicating cooler seal leaks. Verify proper AdBlue system function, confirm smooth torque delivery without hesitation, and demand complete documented service history. The 2014-2016 E350 Bluetec represents a balance of mature diesel engineering, high mileage capability, and predictable ownership costs. For buyers focused strictly on minimizing long-term financial regret, this configuration stands at the top of the list. If you notice the pattern in this list, none of these cars were chosen for image or performance. They were selected because of proven engine platforms, durable transmissions, and documented high-mileage reliability. Financial regret usually comes from buying the wrong engine or ignoring maintenance history, not from the brand itself. A well-maintained 2014 E350 Bluetec or a properly serviced W212 V6 is a far safer long-term decision than a newer, more complex model with incomplete records. When you focus on engine code, production year, and service intervals, Mercedes ownership becomes predictable instead of risky. In the next video, we'll break down the Mercedes models that look tempting but carry higher financial risk. If you're considering one, comment below with the model, engine, year, and mileage, and we'll analyze the real ownership exposure of that configuration.